Hi friends, my name is Ganesh. I am from AID branch. He is my friend. His name is Mahesh. He is AID branch. My topic is Python. Introduction of Python. Python is a simple programming language. It is introduced by It is introduced by 1991. It is used for web developments like software development and mathematics. Python is a very simplest programming language. It is compared with other languages. It is a simple syntax like Python single line code learning. It is small example for the Python syntax code. Next to the control statements. It was introduced.
Hello everyone, I am Mahesh from AID branch. Control statements. We have the types of control statements like condition statements, transfer statements, like jumping statements, and iterative statements like looping statements. It has condition statements as if else if, and nested if. And transfer statements as break, continue, pass. And iterative statements like looping statements are for loop, while loop. Conditional statements as four types: if else, else if, nested if. Now we discuss about if statement. And if statement in Python is condition statement that says if given condition is true and then execute block of code like this. If b is equal to 200, if b greater than a, print b is greater than a, output b is greater than a. Like closure. Condition is true, then execute block of code. Else condition is false, it's go exit. If else statement. If else statement evaluates a condition which is boolean express that only can be true or false. If the condition is true, the code is log is executed. If condition is false, the code is executed by else block. Like a is equal to 89, b is equal to 30. If a less than b, print a is less than b. Else a is greater than b. Starting program if condition. Condition is false, then body of else. And condition is true, the body of the code executed, then exits now. Elif condition. If the conditional in the if statement is false, then elif statement is checked. If the condition in the elif statement is true, the condition associated with the condition is executed. If condition is elif executed is false, the next elif statement is executed, checked. If there else cause, it is executed. None of it, if or if else condition are true. Okay here. Start the program and test the condition. Check the condition. Condition is true. False. Then go on elif condition. Elif condition is also false. Then go on else condition. If first condition is true, the statement is print now. Next is condition. Multiple if conditions, if and else conditions. The program is started as condition is true, then the condition is true, then go on another if condition, and condition is false, directly goes on exit. age is 25 and income 50k. If age greater than 18, you are an adult. If income greater than 30k, you are eligible for premium credit card. Else you are not eligible for premium credit card. Else you are a minor. This is user input. User input has 25. 25 as greater than 18. So you are an adult. Similarly, income is 50k and 30k are your user input. It says you are eligible for a premium credit card. Okay, it has discussed about
These are three types. First of all, break statement, next switch statement, fast statement. First of all, we discuss the break statement. Break statement is nothing but we cannot stop for the rule. We throw all the items. Example, fruits is equal to apple, banana, cherry. For axis fruit, print x, axis fruit. If x is equal to banana, banana is equal to banana. Banana is equal to apple, cherry. Continuous statement. Continuous statement is the block of the code is run with the along the time with loop. This iteration is called continuous statement. Example: fruits is equal to apple, banana, cherry. X is equal to for x in fruit. Equal to banana. Continue.